Well, I cleaned the pot and pan. Yeah, bad timing because I'm hungry. What should I eat? Eat for lunch. I had to clean it anyway because it was dirty. Come in! Well, that is. I gotta wait to eat lunch now.
Hello.
Come on in, little chef Stephanie.
Hey.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
I know, it's been too long. I'm here to see you.
Well, I thank you very much.
How have you been?
I've been great, thank you. And how you been?
I've been great, Chef.
I've
been great.
I'm just thinking about you, by the way.
I was thinking about you.
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, get out.
I was, because isn't this an election year?
Yeah, it is an election year, but I was hungry, actually. That's what I was thinking about her.
Oh, well, no. I was thinking about you.
Yeah?
Because I was thinking about a letter chef word of interest.
What's that?
Quockerwodger. Quockerwodger.
What?
Quockerwodger. 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 Meaning a wooden puppet controlled by strings. I was thinking about you, Sheriff.
Quockerwodger.
Quockerwodger.
Wait a minute. Why wouldn't you think about me?
It's an election year.
I know. Never mind. Hey, moving on.
Oh,
So,
okay, Sheriff. Okay.
I was hungry.
Well,
Hey, wait. You're a letter chef.
I'm a letter chef.
That's right. And letter chefs, whenever they have a letter chef word of interest, that makes them think of something to cook. They can't just cook something. They have to have a letter chef word of interest in order for them to think up something to cook. You thought up a word.
Quockerwodger.
Yeah, what you said. That means you must have something in mind to cook, and I'm hungry, which works out perfectly. So what do you got?
I've got a recipe for us.
Really?
Something we're going to eat together today, Sheriff.
Oh, I'm excited. What is it?
This is
The
Slouch Chicken Vegetable Tortelini.
Tortellini. You mean tortellini? You mean pasta?
Pasta.
Oh,
yes.
I love pasta.
I love pasta, Sheriff.
Yeah, well,
One of my
I really
favorites.
love pasta.
Well, I do too.
Just call
I
me
do too.
Sheriff Pasta.
We both love pasta. So today we are going to have chicken vegetable tortellini.
Well, I can hardly wait. So I figure you want this space to cook.
Chef needs a kitchen.
All right, let me get out of your way. I'll switch you
Let's
around.
swap out.
All right, go ahead, swap out. All right. So, want me to go run down to the market and get anything at the general store, or what do you want me to do?
Oh, no need for that. You can just assist me in cooking. I brought all the ingredients.
Oh, really? Not really necessary. All right. Well, what do you got there?
What I have here, first and foremost, is we will have to have some oil to
Okay,
cook
oil.
some of the vegetables. Got the oil. And then we have the tortellini. Gotta have the tortellini, Sheriff. 2 packages of wonderful tortellini. And some yummy Brussels sprouts. Ooh, good and good for you.
Let me get this out of your way here.
And some mixed vegetables. We have carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. Doesn't that look good?
Oh, that's great.
And we have for seasoning some onions and some peppers.
Oh, wow.
Yum.
Nice.
And we're bringing out the cheese, Sheriff. Parmesan is the best for tortellini topping. And last but not least, roasted chicken.
Wow. Is there anything else in that bag? Are you done?
I don't think so. Oh.
I guess
quite
there
a
was
few
something in the
things.
bag. Yeah.
Sorry about that, Sheriff.
That's
We'll
okay.
clean it up
yeah,
afterwards.
well, yeah.
To cook is to make a mess, okay?
Yeah, the cleaning lady doesn't come to next month, but that's okay. It'll wait.
I'll help you.
All
I'll
right.
help you.
So, okay then, so how do you make this? I mean, just, what are you gonna do? I don't get it. I'm lost.
It's easy. It's
Okay.
so easy, Sheriff. So, 2 things we have to do is
Pardon me.
we've got to, 2 points.
I missed.
We've got to get a pot of boiling water and cook our tortellini.
Okay, I think I got it. All right, there. You know what? I'm gonna get out of your way. Well, tell me what you're doing as you do it.
Okay,
All right.
absolutely,
I'm going to
Sheriff.
stand over here. Go ahead.
We're gonna have to wait for the water to boil again before we add the pasta. And I'm gonna add a little oil to the pan for our vegetables. Just a couple of tablespoons. We'll let that heat up. And let me get a couple of spoons to saute with. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. Lots of good vegetables in this recipe, Sheriff. Ooh, hear them sizzle. Nice. Adding those Brussels sprouts on top.
Oh, I thought those were Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
I love Brussels sprouts.
I
Sorry.
love Brussels sprouts.
I'm out of here. Go back.
Gonna add a little more oil. We've got lots of veggies here. It's interesting how you can see some of them are shiny and some of them are not. And what we want to do is we want to remove all the shiny from the pasta.
Why?
Well, because that'll indicate to us that it's cooked. Like this guy right here is still a little shiny. Can you see that? But if you look at this guy, he's not.
So that's
Kind
dull.
of flat, yeah.
So the shiny, show me a shiny one.
Shiny one, probably only going to see it on one side. Like, hang on, Sheriff. You see around the edges there how that's still a little shiny?
Let's see.
Can you see it? It's shiny around the edges.
Yeah.
It's still cooking. Compared to, like, this guy right here. See how flat this
White.
looks?
It's more.
Yeah,
It's whiter.
it's more white. Yeah. Interesting, eh?
Yeah, I like the spoon too. It's cool.
This is an awesome spoon.
I like it.
Yummy tortellini. Ooh, that's hot, Sheriff. So to this, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. Looking good. Oh, this roasted chicken is splendid.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah.
You dropped some chicken right there.
Oh, well, let's not forget that guy.
Let's not.
Let's not. And then let's go over and get our vegetables. I know they're going to still be really hot. All right, I want you to do something.
All right,
Hang
thank
on
you.
to that towel. It's very hot. And then I'll let you rake that in there.
There. Thank
Oh,
you. Now I
perfect.
feel helpful.
Doing a great job there, Sheriff.
Thank you. Oh.
And then we want to add a little bit of flavor with the sauce.
A
So I'm just
sauce.
gonna add.
You never said anything about a sauce.
Well,
Do you usually,
this.
with tortellini, does it usually have a sauce, or
it
are you just doing it this
oftentimes
time?
has a sauce, but we are just gonna add a little sauce for some extra flavor.
And what kind of sauce is that?
This is a peppercorn ranch.
Peppercorn. Oh, I love
You
peppercorn
it?
ranch.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we're
that's
all
nice.
mixed up, got our veggies, our chicken, and we just need to place this into a pan, put some Parmesan on top, and let it roast for a little bit.
There you go. 30 minutes at 375.
Yum.
Wow. What do you think of that?
Looks delicious, Sheriff. It looks delicious.
Wow, it does look delicious.
What do you think?
I think we should try it.
Ooh.
I guess we could use that spoon you were using.
Yes, absolutely.
And, oh, yeah, bowls. Oh, thank you. You know where everything is, like you lived here.
Well, I've cooked here quite a few times, Sheriff.
Oh,
I want you to try some first.
Okay, I just don't like the way that sounded. Well, so I'll just give you some.
Mmm.
And we can always have more.
It's steaming hot. Delicious.
Nice.
Delicious. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, I'm good. That's
All right.
plenty.
All right, shall we?
Let's do. Mmm.
That's great. Oh, wow. Those vegetables are out of this world.
Oh, the vegetables give it all the flavor, don't they?
You're not kidding.
And the 4 cheeses? Wow.
All right, I'll eat more of this.
I think this is the best slouch recipe I've ever tasted.
Well, it's one of the better ones, that's for sure. But I think you should have peas with this.
That would be delicious.
All right. Well, thank you very much for coming by today.
Anytime, Sheriff.
You're wonderful. And
So are you.
as soon as we're done with this, let's talk dessert.